friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun products to share with you today. The first one is brand spanking new, and it is oh so fun. Why am I talking like this? Because it is all these hearts, but when it is die cut out, I want to show you, hang on, I want to show you a good, oh, here's a good sample. It has all of these fun hearts. Now it fits perfectly, as you can see, on an A2 size card, but look at how it cuts. Some of them solid, some of them open, and you get to mix and match. Isn't that fun? I really love this one, and it's going to be one of your go-tos because it pops all those hearts out of the background if you want it to. Here's another one. Isn't that gorgeous? Here's another one. I love it when it's on black because then you can really see it. It really makes it pop up. And ooh, here's one on the inside as well. Woo, look at that. Double whammy. That's on the website now. I also have available, and I know a lot of you are going to run as soon as you see this, so stay with me just for a second because I want to show it to you. Remember when I went on HSN and I took the punch alphabet on there? And I took this one on there, and actually I have the one that I took on the air, in fact, because it's all messed up and because I demoed it. Now this is the alphabet that literally sold out. The numbers and the lowercase, and look, we made these cute little things to show you. These sold out before I could even take them on the air. So these literally went and went. So I know a lot of you are already going to the website to order these because that's how long you've been waiting for them. But the nice thing about these, and I'm going to share them with you, don't worry, but this is the uppercase. It's available on the website. We now have even the lowercase punch alphabet on the website, and also the punch alphabet on the numbers as well. These two are the ones that sold out immediately on the website on HSN. Now we have them available on our website. Now, also on our website, you won't get the booklet, but you will get the PDF. So it will be on our website, so you can download this and print it if you want to. It shows all the fun a lot of the fun samples that I had on the air. Now, why is this so hot and so popular? Well, let me share with you. Because when you die cut these letters, see now they're all just regular letters. Let me show you. See, they're all just regular letters. But when you die cut these letters, for example, the A, the B, the Q, the P, the O, here's an example of the O, die cut. How fun, right? You die cut them, use the adhesive on the back, die cut them, and they're cute. But they're called punch alphabets because here is the here's the quote unquote trash. Look, you use that too. Okay, are you getting me now? So you use the positive and the quote unquote negative because it stays. The O, see, normally the O would be literally gone, the center of the O. No, it's still there. Isn't that awesome? It's like a stencil, but not those ugly stencil letters. No offense, but I do not like the stencil letters. Now I know they make stencil letters so it stays in there, but no, I designed this alphabet to stay in there. Here's another example that's really going to give you the heads up of it. This is the positive, baby. This is the negative. The B, the inside of the B, you don't have to go in and glue that in separate. The inside of the A, you don't have to glue that in separate. No, it stays in. Look, this is one sheet. This is one piece of paper. It stays in there. Isn't that awesome? Right? I know, it's awesome. Okay, so let's go look at some more samples because once you really get the idea of this, it blows your mind. So here is the U, isn't that cute? Here is another baby, another example where the insides stay there. They stay put. Now, it's a fun font just by itself, and it also has shadows. But here's another one. That HBD is all one piece. The insides stay there. Isn't that awesome? I know, now you're starting to get it, huh? There's the shadow for the B. Here's the shadow for the go. There's the 1, 2, 3. That's the negative. Ooh, here's a good example. Here's this one. Look, it's cut out. That's one sheet right there. Look at that. One sheet, all cut out. Isn't that fantastic? But it all stays there. Oh, I know, it's awesome. Now, here's another one. Here's a title, scrapbook page, perfect for scrapbooking too. Those of you that scrapbook, perfect for scrapbooking. Look at the size, it's nice and large. And here is one that this is one I did on the air. This is, it says mom, see it? See, it says mom, but the O, look at that, it's still there. I know, it's awesome, it's awesome. And I know many of you have been waiting for the lowercase and the numbers. A lot of you were able to get the alphabet uppercase on HSN, but the lowercase and the numbers are the same type where the inside stays, and they flew out the door instantly. I don't even think I was allowed to talk about those when I went on the air with this one. I'm pretty sure, because they were already gone. That's how fast they went. So go to the website, thestampsoflife.com. Club members, of course, you get your club discount. Get the ones you're missing, and now you can get your hands on these because these are awesome. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.